we're going to talk about our final project, which we built throughout this course, the ride-sharing simulation that combines all the files that we took in our, or all the codes that we took on our course. So for this simulation, we created ride sharing. So when a rider requests a trip, the system finds the nearest available car using coordinates, then determines which has the shortest driving time and the best using the graph pathfinding. So as I said, we use the previous code. We have the car and the rider and the simulation quad tree and this other two, and we also here in the simulation we added, or we used the let's look up the libraries or the imports we used. Let's go up here. So we use this matplotlib library, which is used to create the graph that's going to show when we run. So as we can see here, we're going to the visualization function, create visualization. Sorry. So when we run this program, we're going to see our a figure. It has two parts. AX1, which is the left side, is going to give us the car's location, a chart, and the X2 is going to give us the results, the final result simulation. So the chart is going to, the function draws the road network by connecting all the path nodes with lines, and then we're going to see red squares which show the final car locations. And for the right side, we're going to have all the key numbers from the simulation. So let's run this and see. Let's go to our main and run this program. Here we go. So here we have this chart and then the simulation results. Here we have the chart that has the car's final locations, and the simulation results. We have the total riders, which are 19. The trips are completed are 11, and the average wait time is 3.97, and the average trip duration is 4.48. And we have the 5 cars, and each car had different numbers of rider. So let's go back to our code and see. So here, after we run let's go up and see. So the ride sharing simulation run correctly. So the map loaded with 20 nodes that include the pickup and the drop off. It added 5 cars. It's not picking up. It added 5 cars. I'm trying to go up here. Okay, here we go. So the simulation is still running. Time. So for car 3, it picked up rider 1, car 2 at 6 units, and then car 2 picked up rider 2 and 6.37 units. And we have was rider 1, which was picked up in car 3, was dropped off, so obviously by car 3, and 10.83. So that took him from 6 to 10 drop off. That would probably be like 4 units something. And the car 2 picked up at 6.32, and it dropped it off by car 2 11.20, which is, let's say, 5 hours, 5 units, 5 something. Also, we have car. So as we can see, we have the pickup and drop off and the time for each car. And then we also can see here the total trips were 11 and the total riders were 19. So the average waited time they had to wait, which is 3.97. But the average trip duration was 4.48. So that was our simulation. That was our final project. And thank you.